This is one of the hardest SAT scatter plot question. The question says that the scatter plot above shows the federal mandated minimum wage every 10 years between 1940 and 2010. A line of best fit is shown with equation y is equal to 0.096x minus 0.488. What would be the line of best fit predict about the increase in minimum wage over 70 years? Now, this is our graph here on x-axis. On x-axis, we have number of years. It is starting from 1940, so 0 would be 1940, and we can see there is an increase of 10 years. So this one would be 1950, this one would be 1960, 70, 80, 1990, this one would be 2000, and this one would be 2010. On y-axis, we have minimum wage in dollars per hour. So let's write the equation of line of best fit that is given in the question, 0.096x minus 0.0488. So this is our basic linear equation. So as we can see, y is equal to mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So our y-intercept would be minus 0.488, and our slope would be 0.096. So as we have read in the basics about slope, that slope is change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis. So in the question, the equation was given, and from that equation we can find the slope was given, that is 0.96. So what is slope? We have read in the basic that slope is the change in y-axis for every 1 unit increase in x-axis. So the slope m was, in the question it was given 0.096 or 0.096. So we can also write this as 0.096 divided by 1. Still it will be the same. So what we are seeing here, that what slope is telling us about, that whenever there is increase in 1 year, on x-axis we have years. So if we increase years by 1 year, then the minimum wage for dollars per hour increases by $0.096. So let's see the option. So option, we have $0.096 in option A and option C. So let's check the option C first. So every 10 years from between 1940 to 2010, the average increase in minimum wage was $0.096. But here, as we can see, $0.096 was increasing for every 1 year, not 10 years, because on X we have years, and the change in years is 1. For 1 year change, there is a change of minimum wage that is of $0.096 every year. So we will choose option A. Each year between 1940 and 2010, the average increase in minimum wage was $0.096. So option A is your correct answer.